Welcome back to Sally Melodies classroom where we learn basic music. We are still looking at irregular time signature and this is lesson 2. And as I said, we don't have too much to talk about irregular time signature. It is there in our songs but not very common, although you meet some songs with such kind of time signature. I have taken 5/8 and 8/8 as two examples so that we can see what we mean. Remember we said in irregular time signature the top number is odd and it cannot be divided into 2 or 3 equal parts. It can only be divided into 2 or 3 unequal parts. The first example here is a 5/8 and we said that in most songs you will find a 5/8 is a bit common. And remember we said that this irregular time signature, it forms African rhythm. And even in our keyboard organ, we don't have the African beat. It is always programmed. So these ones, they are not Western rhythms. They are African rhythms. So you find that we must program the beat so that it can fit there, because the keyboard, organs, the grand pianos, they don't have these kind of beats because they are mostly African. So let's see how we do a 5/8. Remember, a 5/8 means that we expect to have 5 quavers, 5 quiver beats, a value of 5 quiver beats in every bar or measure. So this is our 5/8. It has 2 bars. Let's see whether we have grouped it correctly. So these are quavers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bar 1 is correctly grouped. Bar 2, a crochet has 2 quavers. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even bar 2 is well grouped. But now we need to know how to sing the 5/8 rhythm. So let's go. Ta-te ti ti ta ti ti ti. 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 Do re mi mi so fa mi re. Do re mi mi so fa mi re. Do re mi mi so fa mi re. Let's see 8/8. Ti 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 ta ti ta ta. Ti 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 ta ti ta ta. Ti 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 ta ti ta ta. So do re do ti. So do re do ti. So do re do ti. So if you listen to the rhythms, they are mostly African rhythms. So if you come across a song with 5/8 or 8/8, because I know you will come across such songs even for the festivals, or you can be told to compose a song on 5/8 or 8/8. That is how you are supposed to group your notes. Ensure that in every bar of 8/8, there is a value of 8 quavers. Ensure that in every bar of 5/8, there is a value of 5 quavers in every bar or measure. But not only putting them there. Are they singable? You first ask yourself, are people able to sing what you have written? So that is all about irregular time signature. We shall continue looking at examples when we come to interpretation of music. But it is good you also look for a piece of music and then you try doing it. But the most important thing is to remember the rhythm, how we used to sing this rhythm, so that you can get the concept. Thank you very much for joining this class. See you in the next class.